friends. Today we're going to be doing some Star Wars math. So if you want to get objects to do this along with me, I used Star Wars little speeder toys that we had, but you can use anything that you have. If you don't have Star Wars toys, you could use Legos or pennies or little pieces of paper you cut out. You could use anything. And I use these equation cards that are also ones that you can print off the internet or just write your own. You can also grab a dice and roll the die, 1 or 2, however you want to do it, and do equations that way too. So there's lots of fun ways you can do that without what I have exactly, okay? So you practice math with what you have. All right, let's dig in. Hi friends, today we're going to be doing math with Star Wars toys and some flashcards that you can print off online. Now, we're going to start with our first equation. Let's read it together. 6 plus 1 equals. So what number do we need? How many spaceships do we need to put here? 6. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now we're going to add how many? 1. So how many spaceships do we have all together? Let's line them up and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we counted from 1 to 7, okay? The other thing we could do is knowing that there are 6 spaceships here, we'd go 6, 7, and we would count on. All right, C-3PO for this one. Let's read it together. 3 plus 3. So how many ships are we going to put on the top? 3. Oh, that ship's upside down. That's not going to do very good. Okay. And then how many ships do we put on the bottom? 3. That's right. Now, let's practice our counting on here. So we're going to start with 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Great job. All right. Let's check this one out. All right. Let's read it together. 5 plus 1. All right. So how many ships on the top? You're getting the hang of this. 5. And how many on the bottom? 1. All right, let's practice counting on 5, 6. 6 ships all together. Let's see. Well, this one's funny. Let's read it together. 0 plus 4. So how many ships go on top? 0. How many ships go on the bottom? 4. So 0 plus 4 would be 4. That's right. Tried to trick you. I don't think it worked. All right, let's check in with Yoda. Let's read our equation here. 1 plus 6. So 1 goes on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes on the bottom. So let's count. Counting on from 1. Though an easier way to do this would be to start with 6, but we'll start with 1 and I'll show you the other way later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the answer would be 7. But if I was doing this, I would be counting on from the 6. And so I would go 6, 7, and that would be easier, even though the equation is written that way. This works for addition. It does not work for subtraction. Alrighty, let's go to our next one. Luke Skywalker coming in for the landing. Landing, get it? Because we're talking about spaceships. Okay, and he's a pilot, right? Okay, and a Jedi. He's pretty cool. All right, 2 plus 4. So how many ships go on the top? Oop, let me just throw these ships around, huh? 2. How many ships on the bottom? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So again, we're going to do the counting on, but we're going to use a strategy where we start at the larger number. So 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now, C-3PO for our last one. So I want you to read it without me reading it. Let me hear you. That's right. 4 plus 3. So our top number would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And our bottom number would be 1, 2, 3, and we're going to use that fancy counting on that we've learned. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you had a lot of fun with Star Wars math today.